to make a book by folding a single piece of paper. Here are some I made earlier. This one's going to be about time. And I'll show you this at the end. So all you need is a piece of paper. A4 ideally. You could have a bigger piece, say A3. This is the landscape position. Landscape because that's the name we give to paintings that are usually of views or of landscapes. This position is called portrait because historically, if a person were to have their portrait taken, it would usually be in a frame this way up. We're going to start with our paper in the portrait position and take our short edge up over to the other short edge to fold it, not like this. No. It's really important to get a neat book to be as accurate as possible by putting each corner on top of the corner below it. There we go. And then you press down here and make sure this fold is really, really tight. You can either press down like this or you can squeeze it between your fingernails. There we go. Now, take it to the portrait position again and fold up again. So you're basically doing exactly the same thing. Make sure the corner is on top of the corner, and this corner, ooh, that could be a bit neater, is on top of this corner. There we go. And now we're ready to open up our piece of paper. So basically what you've got now is 4 pieces. Fold the first one again and turn it so that you've got the fold facing you, all right? Because what you're about to do now is bring that top bit down over towards you so that this corner here is on there and this corner here is directly on top, and then you press it down as tightly as you can, and then you're going to turn the whole piece of paper over and bring that top bit down again to the middle fold that's still here. And let's do that again. The corner to the corner, trying to be as accurate as possible here, and again the corner to the corner here. Great, and let's press down. Pressing down really, really hard, and again I'm going to pick it up and do it between my nails. And so what you have now, hopefully, is a W. You see what I mean by W? Or maybe an M. I rather like M, as you know. But let's go back to the W. So here's the W, and the most important fold we need to look at now is this one here. So look carefully. If you've got your W, it's this one here, and that is where we can either tear or cut. In fact, I'm going to use my scissors very carefully to cut along this fold and stopping when I get to that fold. So you've basically cut down 1. See what I've done? Now turn it around so that you can hold this bit and you can hold this bit and you can separate them slightly. In fact, hold each side and gently lift it up from the table and fold it. Now mine's not folding very well because this fold here, I didn't do it, oopsie daisy, I didn't do it tight enough during the folding sessions. So let's go back to here, hold, come down together. Oh, it still doesn't like it. There we go. Let me show you. Hold, lift up and gently put them together. And what you've now got, make sure you've got them nice and tight, is a booklet. Ta-da! And here's your booklet on which you can write a lovely title. You could draw a picture, you could put by and your name, and inside you can write whatever you wish. Now I'm just going to show you one that I've made earlier because this is a rather lovely handwriting book, if I say so myself, with some handwriting practice and letter height and formation. But what you can do is within this book, you can hide another book. Look, this is what I mean. If you open this one up, like this, that makes the book that I've just shown you. But hang on a minute, what if I turn this upside down? If I turn it upside down and make the folds go the other way, I wonder if you can see what I'm getting to here. Look, I can fold the book this way and have another book. So I've got one story inside there, which I can't see, and another story here. Oh, you could write 2 stories, one inside the other. Maybe each one could have a different ending. Ooh, there you go. There is your folded book. Have fun.